Hello and welcome to Math 151 Fall 2022. I wanted to take a moment to just kind of step you through how to navigate the class. I know most of you are already on WAMAP and working on assignments, but there are just a few things I wanted to point out to hopefully make your experience a little bit easier. First, here's our calendar, and I highly recommend using the calendar and the folder to help you navigate when assignments are due. So you can see tonight we have our first video assignment, and down here at the bottom of the calendar you can see that it's due at 11:59 p.m. Like I said in the syllabus, I try to space your homeworks, so you'll have a chunk of homework due on Thursday and then another chunk of homework due on Sunday. Typically that's how I do it. Occasionally you might see me bump an assignment back to Monday night rather than Sunday night, but I try to stay to that pattern. I do this because I don't want people to just wait for the entire week's assignments to just do on Sunday evening. So I kind of do it in a block, one on Thursday and then another block on Sunday. I don't have week 2 material up yet, but today or tomorrow it should appear. And I like to try to have 2 weeks of material up most of the time, but you'll see sometimes there's a slight delay on things. Scrolling down, you'll see week 1 folder. Each week I try to keep consistency on how things look. And so you'll have a link to the chapter at the top of the week folder. You'll have a link to that week's forum where you can post questions and answer questions. And then there will be a list of assignments, and they'll appear typically in order in which they're due. So video assignment 0.2 is what's due tonight. There's an additional homework. That's the trig review homework. It doesn't have a video assignment attached to it, but then you'll see the 0.2 homework is down here. And that material matches to the 0.2 video assignment. So all the lectures can be found in those video assignments. And within those assignments, I ask a couple of questions, and it just gives me a sense of if you understand the topic. It allows me to check in and see, okay, maybe I need to explain this material a little bit more, or reach out to this student or these few students who seem to not be able to do a couple of these questions. So it just allows me to check in with you during the week on each section. This first week, a lot of this is review. So it shouldn't be that new, but starting next week, we'll get into the new material. You'll also see down here that now you can see the week 1 activity. So each week we'll have an activity, and it will be due on Sunday night, but it should appear by about Tuesday or Wednesday morning. That's my goal. And this activity will cover topics that we covered that week in class. So I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, just message me. If anything looks off or you think there's a mistake on something, message me and alert me. If you are having trouble with one of your homework questions, you can post it in the forum. You can also message me. And I think that's it. So I look forward to working with you. I hope you have a great first week.